to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Julie. Nice to meet you. And today I'm going to be unboxing the June Boxycharm. I haven't done one of these unboxings in a while, and I didn't think I was ever going to, but this box that I got, I think is one of my favorites. I think the first Boxycharm I ever got was my favorite, but this is like a really close second. I was so excited when I opened this. Not gonna lie, I looked at the spoilers and I saw one of the things I was gonna get, which I got so excited for. Then I kind of forgot that I was getting the Boxycharm, so when I got it again, it was like a surprise again, and then it was just amazing. And I'm just gonna continue on with the conversation. This is the Boxycharm for the month. Pretty decent sized box. I don't know why I'm reviewing the box. They're usually the same size. I do not have Boxy Luxe. I have just a regular Boxycharm. $21 a month. This is not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored. I know Boxycharm's in Miami, so if you want to sponsor me, you can. Anyways, yeah, this is the Boxycharm. I'm gonna open it. I'm excited to look at everything again. I have opened it, so this is an unboxing for you, but I've already unboxed it. But we're gonna unbox it again because I haven't used any of the products. You know what I should have done? I shouldn't have done my makeup so I can try all the products. But I'm just going to talk about it, what I feel about it, and hopefully products turn out as good as I hope they are. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, this is it, and if you can peep over here, there's a picture of Miss Kylie Jenner, and we all know what that means. We're gonna get some good stuff. So the first thing, which this is the thing I was really excited for, is the Kylie what? Wrong brand. This is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. I feel like this product has been out for a really long time. I personally loved Shane and Jeffree doing it.
More? A little more?
But I have been excited to try this ever since. I don't really remember what review they gave it, but since I have it, I really want to try it for myself. I was actually thinking about buying it later on. So I'm really happy that I have it now. This retails for $24. I'll try it tomorrow, and if you follow me on Instagram, you can go do that, and I'll put like a little review on my Instagram stories of what I thought of the product. So the next thing, which I'm really excited about too, did not expect it, is the Smashbox. This is the setting spray from Smashbox. I feel like I heard about this. Is either this or the primer a couple years ago. Comment down below if it was the primer or the setting spray. I haven't sprayed my makeup, so let's try it. Okay, so for reference, I usually use the all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. That's just my go-to. Obviously, I'm gonna try this when I run out of it, but it has like more of a like intense, not intensive. I feel like it's gonna lock on longer. It has like the more powerful like thingy thing. Not bad. I obviously have to see if it actually sets my makeup. I feel like it's making me look really like dewy, which I don't really like to look dewy, but we're gonna give her more shots. And the Smashbox primer retails at $32. Next is this Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I actually, for regular Boxycharm members, you get to pick one product that you get. I think it was between this and a mascara. I chose this because I have enough mascara, but this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye thing. So it kind of looks like, you know what it looks like face sunscreen, like the little stick, and you just put the stick everywhere. This is what that looks like. I'm excited to try this. I like eye things. I don't like to look dead in the morning, so really cute and really sleek packaging. I've seen a lot of people that I follow promote Tula Skincare, so I'm excited to try this. And this retails at $28. Oh wow, I thought it was $24. It retails at $28. The next thing is this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette. I've heard of this brand. I have products from it that I really like, but I have never heard of this product, so I'm excited to try this. I have one of Laura Geller's blushes that I also got in a Boxycharm, and I love that product. I think it's really good. So I'm excited to try this. It seems like it's like a shimmery blush. Oh wait, it's all cream based, because the middle looks cream based, but I haven't touched like the blush or the highlight yet. Because the thing is, I don't really know how to use like cream products, which I've actually been wanting to get into because apparently it makes your face look a little bit less cakey. So I want to try it. So this is great. I don't have to go buy out another one. I can just use this. Comes with a cream blush, a cream bronzer contour thing, and a cream highlighter. And this retails at $24. And the last product I got, which, did I already say I was the most surprised? I was most surprised to get this. and this is from KAB Cosmetics. So if you don't know what KAB Cosmetics is, it's Kim Zolciak and her two daughters, Rielle and Ariana. She is a Real Housewife, or she used to be a Real Housewife of the Real Housewives of Atlanta. They have their own show, Don't Be Tardy and all that. I've heard of this because it was funny because when I opened the box, I was like, that brand name sounds familiar, because I knew they just came out with a cosmetics line because I had seen it. And then I was like, wait, I'm like, I think that's it. And then it was. That story had no point to it, but just a little shocker for me. But it is a lip liner and a lip gloss in the shade Charming. I like when it comes matching. That's why I like the Kylie lip kit so much, because it has like a matching color. You don't have to think about it. So this is a lip liner and a lip gloss. First of all, this component is huge. I love the packaging. It's very minimalistic. I can imagine people having like a couple of these like lined up. You can't like, look how like big it is. I feel like it's so big, and it says like gloss around it. You can tell this is a very good like packaging product. And this too, let's open this. Oh, it's like a red. I'll try it on for you guys, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the gloss because I don't really like color lip glosses. That's my only thing. I wish this was a liquid lipstick instead of a gloss. Maybe I'll like it, who knows. Wow, I'm really close. I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer for now so you can see what it looks like. I feel like this is so much pressure, I can't mess up. This is obviously a new lip liner, so it's very sharp. I like them when they're a little bit more breaking in. I feel like they're easier to control, and I also don't feel like I'm gonna break it off. That's like my only thing so far, but it's not their fault. That's just how all lip liners start off. Let's try the gloss. This is what I'm most excited for. This dually thing, this, what's it called? Whatever this is called, applicator? Loofah, no, that's a shower thing, it's not a loofah. Whatever, it's huge, so let's put it on. So, I have the lip gloss on. Honestly, it looks more red when I zoomed in than it does from afar. The lip liner was definitely a little bit brighter. I feel like I have it all on my teeth, but I honestly don't mind it. Would I wear it often? No. I would probably wear it when I'm not gonna go out like drinking or anything, because I tend not to wear glosses, especially color glosses, because they get everywhere. It's just a whole mess. I wish this was a liquid lipstick. I don't know if they have it, but if they do, this color is very pretty, so I would like to see it in a lipstick. I would obviously have to wear it longer to see like how long this lipstick would last. Honestly, it's not bad. Like, the quality is pretty good, and the retail price on that's 40 bucks. I think that's a lot personally for a lip gloss and a liner. As much as I love the packaging, this is a lot of product, unless they're deceiving a little bit, but it seems like it goes like all the way, like, so there is a lot of product, and you have the lip liner too, so you have to account for that. I don't think I would spend $40 on that, but honestly, for a lip gloss, I think it's one of my favorite lip glosses I've ever tried. I do like a little bit sparkle, but I think they were trying to go for more like a gloss that looks like more plumping and not like glossy. I don't know. There's a lot of products in here that I recognize. I would definitely have to use these products more to actually see if I like them or not. I don't like to give something one try, because it's usually when you open it, sometimes it's not at its best. I don't know how to describe it, but make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I will be posting updates of how I like the products and how often I use them. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Boxycharm or what your favorite Boxycharm has been that you've received. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I post every Monday and Wednesday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!